This is a Washita Oilstone. It is lapped and chamfered on both sides. It is oil stripped. Stone is 7 and 14/16 of an inch long by 2 inches wide by 1 and 5/32 of an inch deep. The specific gravity calculated via submersion method is 2.4026. One side of this has a fissure, but it sort of dies out. Excuse me. And one weird thing is this little hole here goes approximately 3/16 of an inch straight down. Why it's there, I don't know. Might just be an anomaly, but 3/16 of an inch it goes in. So by the time you got to that, it would be years. Anyway, oh, speaking of the light, carries light. Oh, come on, light, work. Autofocus just doesn't want to cooperate today. Anyway, it's carrying light just fine. Sorry about the focus. Washita, thanks.